Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to fetch players in ERLC private server. So first thing you want to do is go to our API docs here. So we're going to go to the server/players page, and we're going to copy all this. We're going to go ahead and do client.once, and we're going to do our ready event. This is going to fire up as soon as the bot turns on. Add async. Inside of these brackets, we're going to paste that in. Before this /server, we want to add URL plus. And in headers, inside of the curly brackets, we want to put server-key. And we're going to do API, which is our API key, which is going to be on our config.json file. All right, we'll come down here. Client.guilds.cache.get. We'll go ahead and copy our server ID. Go back in, paste in that. .channels.cache.get. Go ahead and get our channel ID as well. Copy that and paste that in. And we'll leave this here for a second after we forgot to create our embed. So we'll come up here, const embed equals new embed builder. And we're going to set our description. We're going to name this player list. Right, and we're going to do a for loop through this data. So it'll be data.forEach. Player is going to be our variable. And we're going to do embed.addFields. And we're going to go ahead and add all of the data that's actually going to be stated in the API documents. So we're going to go ahead and do name. We're going to take a look at our API documents. So first thing is player, and that returns a string. So we'll go ahead and go back to our code. We'll go ahead and put data player. And then for our value, we're going to go back to our documents. And we're going to do team and call sign for this. So we'll put data.team. And over here, we'll go ahead and add our player permission. So if you're owner, it'll say server owner. If you're co-owner, it'll say you're a co-owner, and so on, admin moderator. So we'll go ahead and add our curly brackets to that. Don't forget our apostrophes. And we'll go ahead and put data.permission. So like I said, this will show the permission that you have in game. And after this, so it'll be apostrophe, and then our curly brackets here. Data.callsign. Okay, we'll go ahead and add our timestamp here. And .send embeds embed. Again, embed is the concept we created earlier. So we'll go ahead and run this node dot. Seems that it returned an error. What's this? Okay, so actually going to change all this to player. That I actually put data. It's meant to be player. All right, once that's done, we'll go ahead and run this code again. Seems to be an error again. All right, 1 second. Okay. So basically what I did was you have to put apostrophe before and after. I put mine right after team, so it has to be before and after the entire thing. So we're going to go ahead and do a little check for our call sign. So we'll do let call sign equals, and then we'll do player.callsign. So this should pull the call sign, and we'll be able to change it if it's null. So we'll check it if call sign is null. Then we'll set the call sign to none. Okay. And then we'll change this to the call sign variable that we created a second ago. All right, let's go ahead and run this. And there it is. Okay, so that looks a little, I got to move these parentheses outside. Okay, and now we can go ahead and run the code here. It should be fine now. Okay, so it's done, but none looks kind of ugly. So we're going to change this to a default zeros. So 0, 0. Just add a bunch of zeros, and then after the second zero, we'll just go ahead and put our dash here. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. All right, and there it is. Let's go ahead and join a different team, see if the call sign shows. There it shows the correct call sign. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. I'll be posting the rest of the API documents on this channel. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you have any recommendations, also please leave a comment. Thank you. Goodbye.